done your research, drafted your thoughts, polished your prose, and hit send with the anticipation of a child on the night before their birthday party. Yet, there's no response, no follow-up, and not even so much as a quick one-word reply from your contacts. You may even start to worry, did they even read it? If this sounds painfully familiar, we've got a few tips to make your email memorable. Tip number 1, prioritize your purpose. When crafting your emails, make sure you clearly identify your purpose. Instead of focusing on just your services, use the opportunity to educate, inform, and inspire your email recipients. In doing so, you will show your value to your current and prospective clients and why they can't say no to what you have to offer. Tip number 2, choose your words wisely. Keeping your emails brief and to the point will help your message stand out. Remember, short and concise is twice as nice. In addition, be sure to use appropriate language and tone that your audience is familiar with. This ensures your communication is clear and effective. And finally, tip number 3, let your personality shine. Want to know what makes your email memorable? It's you. Your brand, your voice, and your experiences are what separate you from any of your competitors. Consider this. If your clientele read an email without your signature, would they be able to know that it was still you? The fact is, your voice matters. Utilizing email is a great way to promote and further your ideas to current and potential clients. By establishing your purpose, you will be able to craft your content with intention. Applying a clear, concise message with your authentic self, your email will go from message unread to reply and forward. Interested in learning more? Head on over to calicollective.com for more marketing tips and tricks and see all the services we provide.